Hey guys, this is Steve from Excel Training Designs, and I'm pretty excited to show you what we've been working on for the last 3 years. What you see here is our new application called Strength Coach Pro. It is the successor to Excel Training Designs. Basically, what we built is a fully digital program builder for coaches that works just like the Excel templates that I spent the last 8 years making, except it's fully digital, it's online, no more messing around with templates, no more messing around with creating new programs and then having to download the PDF version and mail it to a client or printing 1,000 programs. Strength Coach Pro has the power of the internet, except it's built with a very Excel style program builder. And let me walk you through this real fast. So just like my Excel templates, Strength Coach Pro has exercise databases, and it calculates weights just like my programs did too, where you can assign a max to an exercise and calculate a weight for that exercise based off a max. Example, a squat can be based off your back squat max, but your front squat could be based off 70% of your back squat max. So you can calculate weights for all exercises. But what's cool is we've also got it so that you can attach videos to exercises, so that when you write a program for an athlete, they just press play and the video's right there. Strength Coach Pro is also fully digital in terms of its data storage, which is one of the biggest weaknesses of Excel is data. You've got tons of templates and all your data everywhere. With Strength Coach Pro, everything is on one site. So with us, you can track data for any metric at any time. You can track 1RMs, speed, rep outs, anything you want. So when you make a new metric, you can assign any unit that you want to it, and as such, it'll track that metric no matter what type of test it is. Another really cool part about being online versus Excel is it's fully interactive with surveys. So you can make surveys and put them right inside your athlete's program. And when your athlete clicks the survey, or when you put the survey in the athlete's program, when they log in, the first thing they see is that survey as part of their workout. It's not a separate app, it's not a Google form, it's just right there as part of their workout. And finally, we have sets and reps. And just like the Excel templates I have, you can build multi-day, multi-week programs. You can build multi-week set and rep schemes to last that. So an example here with that 2 sets of 5, it's a 4-week set and rep scheme. So when we're making a 4-week program, we select 2 sets of 5 and it automatically fills in. Now what you do with all this stuff is you go right to our program builder. And this is the key part of this program, and why it's so nice is unlike Excel where you have to make a template. Let's say you want to do a 3-day, 3-week program. In Excel, you have to go make that template. With us, you can just check 3 days and 3 weeks and begin building your program. The way our program builder works, though, is it's a fully responsive drag and drop program builder. So with us, you use these modules over here and drag them in where you want them. So if you want to start the workout with a note about the workout, you can do that. And then you can drag in that survey we talked about. And we want to do a daily readiness survey. And then we can drag in our training blocks. Training blocks are the actual, where we put in the exercises. So if we want to do a squat with 4x5, supersetted with inverted rows, 4x8, we can do that. And we're building a 3-week program right now. And then we can drag in another training block. And here we're going to do barbell lunges, 3x8, except here we're going to add a note to these for the athlete to know 8 each leg. And then finally we can finish that with a metric. Metric is a testing protocol. So if we want to test something, let's say we want to test a pull-ups max, but we only want to test that on week 3, not 1 and 2, we can do that as well. And then what we'll do is we'll save this program. And the way our programs work is it's unlike anything else on the market. Our programs are fully separate from the athletes. A lot of program builders out there use a calendar view, and once you make a program, you add it to a roster's calendar. We don't do that. We operate just like the Excel templates that you use, where you have your base of programs, and when you need one of them, you go pull it up. So we're going to pull up the program that we made, and then you assign it to the athletes that you want to have this program. We're going to assign it here. And when the athlete logs in, they see exactly what you made. They see the workout notes, they see the survey, they see the training program that we made. And because we use no percentages, this isn't calculating a load, but if we use percentages, it would. The athlete can type in the weights that they did for this exercise, and it's a fully responsive program builder. And you can see that the different weeks is going to change the program so they can scroll through the days and weeks. And now what's cool on your side is we talked about data storage. You can pull up every past workout this athlete's done. You can pull up every metric they've ever recorded, every survey response. And if you don't want the athlete using a phone, you can even email them a PDF version of this. So it's not just digital. You can email a PDF. And if you're in-house training athletes, we can even pull up a PDF version for you to use. So what we'll do is we're going to print, and we're going to print all the athletes that have this assigned. And what it's going to do is email you a PDF copy of this program so that you can print this thing out, give it to your athletes, but still have a digital record of everything done tied to their account. And this is just a big overview. We've got a lot more stuff that we can already do and more stuff in the pipeline. We can handle videos. We can have assistant coaches. We have built-in chat. We have weight room view to pull up to put it on iPads in the weight room. So a lot more stuff is already in here, and there's a lot more stuff on the way. But just so you know, this thing is the future of program building for coaches. And if you have any questions, let me know. But the thing that is separating us from everybody else on the market is to have access to this program. There's no recurring fees. We're not going to be doing the yearly billing like everyone else does, $1,500 a year, anything like that. Strength Coach Pro is going to be just like my Excel templates. You buy it once and you get lifetime access. Awesome, guys. Have a great day. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll talk to you soon.